Hi, I'm Slava from DTF UK. In this quick video, in a few simple steps, I'll show you how to build a DTF Gang Sheet using our free online builder. No software needed, no hassle. You can simply build a DTF Gang Sheet in your browser in just a few clicks. Step number 1. Navigate to the DTF.uk website. From the home page, you will see the Build a DTF Gang Sheet button, or other way, you can open the Order DTF transfer menu from the top and click on Build DTF Gang Sheet page. So you will be landed to the product detailed page where you shall to click Build your own Gang Sheet. Once free online builder loaded, you will see the pop-up with a selection. You can easily start a brand new Gang Sheet here. On this page, on the left sidebar, you will see the navigational menu for your uploaded artworks. This is empty right now, so we don't see any artworks. In the middle section, you will see your empty Gang Sheet, where the artworks will be added. And on the right part, it's a settings menu. So step number 2, you need to upload images or artworks to your Gang Sheet. I have prepared a few of them, so I will open and the system will start loading them. Once image loaded, the step number 3 is editing. So you can click on any of this image, and on top toolbar you will see these editing buttons. You can simply make this image for the full width. However, keep in mind that all images will have the border. The color of the border indicates the quality of the image. In this case, the border is minimum resolution, which is 72 dpi. It means that the image will be a bit blurry on the print. Therefore, I recommend to use the original image size in order to avoid the blurriness upon the print. So let's remove this. Simply clicking on the image, you're adding those images to the DTF Gang Sheet. You can drag by the corners and the image will be bigger. Nevertheless, once the image overlap, the system will tell you that the image are overlap and it's recommended to move it to the different place. Also, you can rotate the images on any way and place where you'd like. Also, there is a cool feature that can auto-build the DTF Gang Sheet on your behalf if you don't like to play around with all of these placements. In order to do this, you can click on Auto-Build feature and tell how much exactly you need of each artwork. In this case, I will say, okay, I would like to have one of each artwork. Then click on Apply, and the system will automatically allocate the designs on the DTF Gang Sheet. Then click on Continue and you can play around with all of these Gang Sheets. You can make it bigger. Nevertheless, the image size was a bit smaller, therefore now the system tells me that it's a better resolution, so it's not recommended to use this size. It's better to upload the image with better resolution. I'm keep reminding you that the minimum best option for resolution is 300 dpi. The step number 4, you need to, once the DTF Gang Sheet ready, you need to save and add to cart. Now you have to accept our terms. Once the system identifies that you have the low resolution images, it will highlight it. If you are happy with it, you can check print anyway, and by checking this checkbox, you agree that full rights for your artwork belongs to you. Also, you agree that the images are uploaded correctly, and we won't be responsible for any differences in quality. Once you accepted the terms, click Add to Cart and exit. The system will be navigated you to the basket on our website. You can preview your Gang Sheet. You will see the same Gang Sheet that you created there, and then you have to check out. That's it.